Let's double check the main support levels now for SUI and potential all-time high. Guys, I still believe we will see some altcoin season. I'm not believe and never believe it in super cycle. I don't know why the people created this even terms like super cycle. We have to skyrocket to the moon just because we want to see that moon and we saw it previously. So my take for SUI is a more conservative one, like let me show you here this one. So at least I think we will reach like 624, 668 these targets. You know, it can be the all-time high, maybe the 836. So this is my final take for SUI. You can believe in high price targets. Even if we use this one, 668, 775 also possible range. So somebody believe in over than $10 for SUI. Somebody believe in over than $20. My target's more like middle. It's around like $7-9 for SUI all-time high. So you can have, and you should have your own opinion about each token. You remember these levels. So on the Donald Trump dump, we landed again to zone of interest accumulation stage. In the accumulation model, we tracked this model since May 2023, and this model playing out even after the 2 years. So everything relevant. Now the test of the buy line on the weekly will be more than logical, $1.67. So it's more than we'll to see just unfortunately, guys, really soon, and it will be just around. I don't think so. It's going to be the 50% of the week. Oh, wow, amazing. Take a look. This is what I told you before. Usually when we see the week like this one, we come back and close to 50%. So magic. So 50% of this week, it's exactly 0.5 level by FIB, buy line on the weekly time frame. Take profit indicator. So this is it. If we not drop, I will be more than happy. I'm not traded the SUI, but I will be more than happy for the people who trade and who invest in the SUI. I don't want to buy the SUI, and I don't want to tie this token. $1.52. It's around the fundamental value of the token on the daily time frame. The yearly open, definitely we will test this level again. I believe in it's $4.20. So if you want to buy now, just guys, not mistake to withdraw your initial deposit after 100% on the test of the yearly open. So looks like a range. If we not count that week, you know, it just looks like a range. So when we cut all noise with a line chart, just a basic range. Let's double check, guys, with other indicators. What's going on now? ADZ direction. Technically now it's accumulation zone on finally on a weekly time frame. So yes, we can see the new all-time high, and it's going to be the variance on a weekly. So around over than $7. A middle line on direction, not a time to sell. Monthly time frame still didn't touch the main sell zones. Just in the middle on the ADZ, also we can hit the new all-time high, for example, 3 drives pattern, just a basic model, and the variance on the week monthly. So will be more than real and more than easy to see. Maybe not easy, but more than real to see. So this is capitulation zone on the daily. Finally, capitulation zone. We never seen the capitulation zone on SUI since 2023. Nice. So time to sell is Afria, drop, Afria, drop. Disbelief, nobody believe in SUI anymore. We drop it down to capitulation zone. Capitulation and accumulation on ADZ. It's a good one. Good time for buyback at the SUI, I guess. Money power here, the last time, how it playing out. Money inflow, it's $2.22. Pump to $4.44. Now the same money inflow. So I guess $1.52 will be just an amazing. $1.52, $1.68 will be just an amazing result for test and bounce. Monthly, what is bad? We at the top. So of course, if everybody's wrong and it was end of cycle, we go into hell even under listing price, I guess. But I hope not. Trade on, guys. No data. On the monthly, only one signal to sell was here. In February 2025, a weekly sell here in January 2025. Buy back, now nothing. Daily, sell, take profit, buy, bounce, but I wish to see that one more drop and another signal to buy on a daily. 12 frames, some signals to buy, but it's just a local one. I don't think so. We're going to hold the $2 line. But kind of weird because now no negative around the market. So I don't think so we're going to drop under $1 now in a near future, but $1.60 is more than real to see. So let's double check again. $1, this one, $1.67. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what you think about the SUI. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I will show in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.